Hey, my name is Elijah Fulton. I am from Olympia, Washington, and I play baseball here at the University of Jamestown. I've been coaching baseball for about 6 years, and I've been involved with sports since I was about 5 years old. And being involved with sports and being in the gym all the time is kind of what gave me the direction to be a personal trainer. And going through high school, being surrounded by the coaches, parents, other kids, and a physical therapist is what really drove me to be a personal trainer. And as I went into college, I had surgery my second year into college, and it was my UCL, my ulnar collateral ligament, and I had reconstructive surgery on that. And the recovery process was 12 months long with my physical therapist. And going through that process with my physical therapist and my family supporting me was the biggest impact and what helped me figure out what I really wanted to do. And the major I chose to pursue was Health and Fitness Administration. And this degree is what I believe was the best choice for me because I could be a personal trainer and I could manage a gym or any other business if I wanted to with this degree. So in doing that, I would be able to benefit by helping people either physically feel better about themselves or improve what they feel is needed to be improved. And that's what I really want to do with my life is to help people and have a business of my own that helps people feel good about themselves. So thank you for watching.